Alright everyone, this is part 2. Yeah, some newer Tranes right here. Got this Trane XL-15i. It's got a Alliance scroll in there. Let's take a look at the data sheet. We got this XR-13 unit. It's running, it's got an Alliance scroll in it too. So you can see the compressor sweating, setting up quite a heat load too. Oh, it's a 13, excuse me, XR-13, made in 2013. Not a bad unit at all. Let's see how it's cooling. Oh, look at that, that's not good. Oh yeah, it's very cold and sweaty. Oh yeah, that's doing very good cooling right there. This one I do not believe has been running. No, they hadn't been running. This one is a Nordyne. Now the last video I showed you, this one was replaced up there because it had a major refrigerant leak. This is cooling good though. It works. Can't quite tell what kind of compressor it has. It does have a compressor blanket in there. I'd assume it's probably a Copeland or something. Doesn't look like a reciprocating. Not 100% sure though. Data tag is 3 ton. The data tag is pretty much gone. Has not been running at all. This one though is a very good unit. The line all across is cold, so that's good. No refrigerant issues. This one is a really nice unit. I haven't seen this one running yet. I'm gonna have to catch it. But you can see, I'm not sure you can see the lines are very sweaty. Very nice units. Alright, happy 4th of July everyone. Y'all take care.